Welcome to this meditation on balancing your hormones and healing your womb. Your womb is your creative center. It is the center of new ideas, the place of birthing a new life. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without interruptions. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position and close your eyes gently. Keep a smile on your face. Start by taking a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to settle into this moment. The uterus holds our core beliefs about sexuality, creativity, relationships, and being a woman. Breathe deeply and bring your awareness to your womb space. Observe any emotions or sensations you may be experiencing in your womb space. Without judgment, simply observe these feelings, acknowledging them with compassion and acceptance. Now, visualize a warm, golden light glowing at the center of your pelvis, radiating with healing energy. With each inhale, imagine this light growing brighter and more vibrant, filling your entire pelvic region with warmth and light and healing you. As you exhale, feel any tension or discomforts gently leaving your body. You are feeling light and at ease. Now, imagine that you are seated in a quiet, beautiful garden filled with flowers. Hear the call of birds and the sound of a stream nearby. This garden is a safe space where you can connect with your inner child, the younger version of yourself that carries emotions and experiences from childhood. Maybe you carry past traumas of neglect and criticism from childhood. that are still causing you pain and emotional disconnect with yourself. Lovingly hold out your arms and invite this younger version of yourself, filled with innocence and joy, to sit next to you. Take a moment to observe your inner child, noticing her energy. Connect heart to heart and enjoy a few moments of serenity together. Now, extend your hand to your inner child as she steps closer. Embrace her in a warm, loving hug. Let her know that she is safe. She is unconditionally loved, and that she will be always supported. Tell her that you know that she was coping in the best way she could, and that you honor her emotions and experiences. As you continue to hold your inner child in your embrace, allow any emotions that arise to be felt and acknowledged, knowing that this is a sacred space for healing and release. Now, imagine a beautiful healing light surrounding you and your inner child, enveloping both of you in its warmth and radiance. Feel this light soothing any wounds and restoring a sense of wholeness and peace. Feel a sense of healing and transformation washing over you both. Take a few moments to simply bask in this healing light, allowing it to infuse you with love, compassion, and healing energy. Now, gently release your embrace with your inner child, knowing that you can return to this garden whenever you need to connect with her. Thank her for joining you. Life is an endless opportunity to love ourselves, past, present, and in the future, accepting all parts of ourselves. Give yourself permission to feel whole, loved, and complete again. Know that you are worth being loved. Feel a new Shakti within your womb space, representing new growth and vitality. With each breath, feel this Shakti like a golden light expanding, filling your womb with love, light, and healing energy. Continue to breathe deeply, allowing this healing energy to flow freely throughout your entire being. All is well in my world, and so it is. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch your body and open your eyes. Namaste. Welcome back.